everyone, this is Sheetal Sipin Matre and here is your pick a card reading. Today's topic is what big blessings are the angels going to give to you. So these are your three piles, okay, group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. Alright, I've also kept butterflies on top of the piles so that it will help you to choose. Please note this is a general reading, okay. I was so happy with the last reading that you guys, the reaction that you gave for the last reading that I did. Thank you so much. Do write in the comment section what resonated with you. Also, please understand that this is a timeless reading. So if you have seen this video after 2 years also, it will be applicable from the day you see it. The other thing is that if you want me to do more of such readings, you can write in the comment section on what topics you would like me to do a reading. Also, do like and subscribe my channel so that you get more such updates. Okay, so here are your three piles: pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. In order to choose the pile for you, you can just take a deep breathe, okay, and you just need to focus on what is calling to you. You can also choose 2 piles, is completely okay, because if you're drawn towards 2 piles, that means both the piles are applicable to you in terms of what gifts the angels want to give you. So relax, breathe in, breathe out, choose a pile that is calling to you. Once you have chosen the pile, you can see the timeline given in the description column. Thank you so much. So, all those who have chosen pile number 1, here is your reading. So we are going to find out what amazing blessings is God, Goddess, Archangels, the universe going to give you. So first and foremost, you have chosen a beautiful silver butterfly. Alright, butterfly represents transformation and you have chosen the color silver, which means that many of you have been lately feeling a strong sense of intuition. You are able to understand a lot of things before it actually happens. Some of you are not very comfortable with that. Some of you are writing it off. So the angels are telling you that yes, you are being gifted intuition in a sense wherein the power of intuition is increasing, and this may freak you out a bit, but it's okay. Also, I feel that some of you are worried about protection. So the angels are telling you that do not worry, you are protected, you are safe. Alright, so let's keep a beautiful butterfly over here and let's see what cards you have got. Okay, the tarot card that you have drawn is Page of Wands. Let's keep it over here. Then 4 of Cups, 7 of Pentacles, then Rest and Rejuvenation, Helpful People, Employment Change, Easy Does It, Financial Constraints. Don't worry, it's a gift, so we'll definitely understand how it is going to be a gift. Then Open Your Heart, Vacuum Away Fear, and Weave the Future Golden. Okay, so now let's see what are the gifts that angels are going to give you. So first and foremost, the very evident gift that I can see for this particular pile is that you have been worried a lot lately about your finances. Okay, these two cards are clearly telling me that you have been worried about your financial constraints, that how things will be ahead, how the finances will be. So the angels are telling you that they are going to take that fear away from you. That will be the biggest blessings. And yes, even this card is telling me, the easy does it card, you can see. So even this card is telling me that they are going to take away all your financial constraints, your financial worries. So I do see prosperity coming your way pretty strongly. Also, this gift is confirmed by this particular card, which is, you can see, employment change. So what this card is saying is, that there will be change in your employment, whether it is a job or there will be also in since some days you have been exploring a business idea. So definitely this particular card is saying that you will take concrete steps towards your business idea. You There are a lot of ideas that I can see flowing in your mind regarding how to earn more money. So all those ideas, okay, will come to fruition. And I also see that a lot of fear is going to go away from these cards. And the help that you need, okay, will be given to you. So definitely blessings will come in the form of people who are going to help you. However, what has happened is that your past experiences have blocked your heart. Okay, so you need to open your heart and receive help that is going to come from helpful people. Okay, because this help is going to this help is going to make your path ahead pretty easy. Now this two cards that you have got, open your heart and helpful people, I can clearly see it from the Four of Cups, wherein over here you can see that the divine is giving help. Okay, however, this particular person is not looking into the help given. So the blessing that you are going to get is that not only you'll be getting help, but you will also be able to remove your focus from what is not working for you and look at the opportunity. So the opportunities that you have missed, okay, or the opportunities that you have ignored are going to come to you. The other thing that angels are saying is that you have been really very patient. Okay, you have been very patient. You have been waiting for things to work for you, and you have been just, this wait, okay, has been so long. So the angels are telling you that the blessing that is going to come your way is that your wait is going to be over. Your this entire patience that you had shown during this time, that is all going to be answered in a very fruitful way. Okay, I also see lot of recognition coming your way. I see speed, I see some sort of wisdom coming your way. So definitely what I can say from your cards is that whatever you were worried about regarding your career, regarding your finances, all that worry is going to be taken away and it's going to be replaced with gifts. Okay, the angels are sending you really amazing people to help you out in this entire journey. Okay, also I am seeing that some of you have kind of lost a particular item. Okay, and that particular item is there in a shelf or a wooden box or in your cupboard. So you need to clean your cupboard, okay, because there is a lot of clutter in your cupboard. You may find the particular item over there. Also what I am getting is that this particular group has been praying a lot. Okay, in the past you have offered a lot of rituals, prayers to the angels, so definitely they are going to answer it. I also see that this particular group have been trying, some of you have been trying for a child. Okay, so that is also going to come up. Okay, so the blessings that I can see is a lot of action. lot of speed. I see a career change for the better for this particular group. I'm seeing that you are going to be really very confident. Things are going to come to you easily. um, Also, what I'm seeing is that there is a lot of spiritual growth that's going to come your way. Okay. And I also see that opportunities will come to you. You know, it will be like somebody has synchronized all the events for you. Okay, this is going to happen. You will be like, oh my god, I never thought that, you know, this is going to happen so beautifully to me. So a lot of synchronization is going to happen. You will be at the right place at the right time. I see someone coming to you and telling you that there's an opportunity. Would you like to take it up? Okay, I see a lot of things happening via contacts for this particular group. So if it is love, then you may meet somebody via a contact. If it is career, you may get an opportunity via a contact. So I see a lot of things happening to this particular group via contact. However, this particular group needs to declutter their cupboards. Okay, cupboards, shelves. Also, they need to, you guys need to declutter and clean your roof. Okay, because I see a lot of issues with the roof. Okay. This particular group also feels that all your whatever you desire is kind of locked, so all this thing will get unlocked. So overall, for this group, to summarize, I see changes in their career or business for the better. I see recognition coming your way. I also see opportunities coming to you via contact. I see you know, you rekindling your friendship with somebody whom you had lost touch with. By this I do not mean ex. Okay, by this I mean a friend with whom you have lost touch with. I see that friend coming back into your life and you becoming thick friends again. So this is what I'm getting for group number 1. Also, Archangel Michael is very strongly with you. You guys do connect with him a lot. Also, this particular group, I feel you have offered lot of flowers. Okay, I see lot of flowers. Also, this particular group tends to get a lot of feathers. Okay, so all these are signs from the angels. So this is group number 1. You are going to get amazing blessings, lot of changes for the better. Okay, thank you so much. If you liked your reading, please do write in the comment section what you loved about the reading, what resonated with you. Okay, I would like to remind you one more time that this is a general reading, so take what resonates with you, and what does not resonate with you, you can leave that. Okay, thank you so much. So group number 2, here is your reading. You have chosen this beautiful pink butterfly. Okay, butterfly represents transformation, and you guys have chosen the color pink, which means relationship, love, harmony are important to you. Also, I feel that there are going to be a lot of changes that are going to happen in terms of relationship, love life, for the better, of course, because we're talking about blessings. So let's keep your beautiful pink butterfly here. Now let's see what cards you have drawn. The first card that you have drawn is King of Pentacles. The second card that you have drawn is Six of Wands. Lovely. The third card you have drawn is Nine of Cups. Wow, wow, and wow. Okay. You have drawn Truth. You have drawn Anxiety, Magician and the Mirror. You're profoundly clairvoyant. Take action. Focus on your priorities. Your desire is within reach. And your enlightened heart. So from your overall reading, I'm getting one thing very clearly, all right, and that is that this particular group, okay, knows exactly what they want to manifest, but they tend to not take action. You tend to procrastinate, okay? However, that's not going to happen anymore. The angels are telling you that they're going to send an extremely wise person who is successful. This particular person will help you to see what you need to focus on, okay? This particular person will help you to clearly see what is your strength, what is your weakness, okay? So it's going to be like a mirror, you know, magician and the mirror. See, over here also there is a man, and over here also we can see the King of Pentacles. So the both cards are resonating. So definitely I am seeing a wise person coming in your life who is going to show you the truth, who is going to make you understand your priorities. This wise person can also be your inner self, okay? Because our inner self, our higher self, is very, very intelligent and very helpful. So what I see for group number 2 is, I see success, okay? I see a lot of money coming your way. I see success, I see recognition, I see a lot of your wishes getting completed, okay? Also what I'm seeing over here is I'm seeing that you will be able to put your ideas, okay, into reality. You're going to be able to convert your ideas into reality. Also what I'm seeing is that this particular group right now is very anxious. However, do not worry, because you're going to take action and you are going to ensure that whatever you desire, you achieve it, okay? So do not worry about any kind of anxiety. I also see for this particular group is movement, okay? I see movement in terms of going ahead in life, okay? Also I see some sort of celebration coming your way. I see that you will be able to manage, you guys are going to be able to take decisions in a very practical way, you know, involving your heart and brain and taking the right call. So see how amazing the cards are, okay? Like wish fulfillment card and your desires within the reach. These two cards are clearly telling, you know, that you will be able to convert all your dreams into reality, okay? In fact, this particular group, they're also given you how you can reach over there. They're told that you can do whatever you want by applying your mind, okay, by taking action and by doing rituals. So the magician and the mirror is telling you that you need to also pray. Only taking action is not going to really suffice. I feel this particular group believes a lot in Merlin, okay? That's what I'm getting, that this particular group believes a lot in Merlin. I also am seeing that this particular group has been trying to reduce their weight, okay? And this particular group has been really trying to, you know, get a makeover done for themselves. So what I'm seeing is that regarding losing weight, okay, I feel that you need to take action, which you will take. Also, you know, you have always been one of those complaining that I don't have time, but the angels have given you time right now and you have to utilize in an amazing way. I see lot of also I see that this particular group, you know, right now is having sleepless nights, okay? I'm feeling that you guys are not able to sleep properly, because the moment you go to bed, you tend to think about every problem there in your life, in other people's life. Also what I'm seeing is that this particular group, you need to change you need to arrange things in your bedroom in a very proper manner, because I see a lot of clutter in your bedroom. You need to get rid of that clutter, because that's, you know, really not helping you to sleep peacefully. I also see that this particular group, okay, tends to light a lot of candles or tends to do a lot of inner work, okay, which is good because that's really going to help you. I see that this particular group desires to have a second home, okay, or a first home, but this particular group has a desire to buy a home. Uh, the desire is to buy a home in a faraway land, which is further from where you're actually staying, like a farmhouse. And there's also desire to buy a house in a prime location. So the angels are telling you that first you need to believe that this can happen to you, okay, and you need to also take action for it to happen, because whatever you're desiring right now, whether it is weight loss, whether it is buying that new home, all can be achieved by you, because all your desire is within the reach. The only three things that you need to take care of is that you need to be able to see it and believe that it can happen to you. You need to take action, okay, and that's it, that's it, and that will really help you. Also, I see that this particular group, there would be something that will get revealed to you which may not necessarily be good, or which will not necessarily be nice to hear, but this particular piece of information will act as a catalyst for a major life change, okay. So even if for a temporary time the truth may not be good to hear, but understand, the truth will set you free, okay. So overall, I see amazing blessings coming your way, whether it is career, whether it is weight loss, whether it is personal life. I see a lot of changes happening to you for the better. Just take care to clear your bedroom from the clutter. Also, I feel that this particular group, tends to be a little bit lazy where it comes to walking, movement, weight, so you need to take more walks, to exercise more, and in order to lose that extra weight. So amazing group 2, this is your reading. If you resonated with it, do write in the comment section. Also, do write to me what kind of readings would you like me to do for you, in a pick a card reading. So I'll be reading your comments. Thank you so much, group number 2. Have a good day ahead. So group number 3, here is your reading. So you have chosen this beautiful blue butterfly, okay. Butterfly represents transformation, and your this color is telling me that this particular group works with voice, okay. Communication is a major part of your life. You may be into a job that involves communication of some sort, and you guys are really able to communicate in a manner which brings a lot of healing to people around. You may be finding strangers coming to you and talking to you about their life, and you'd also be realizing that you are really good in terms of teaching, training. This is what I'm getting for group number 3. So let's keep your butterfly aside and see what cards you have drawn. The first card that you have drawn is Knight of Cups. You're drawn then is Knight of Wands. Oh, 2 knights. Lovely. So a lot of movement, huh? You're drawn Hermit, which resonates with the card that you have, with the butterfly that you have chosen. You have drawn the card of Turquoise Mother Lotus of Kuan Yin, okay, which is very lovely card to get. You have drawn the card, the Garden and the Gate. Okay, you have drawn the card, the World. Oh wow, lovely. Let's keep your cards over here. You have drawn the Goddess card. Oh my God, so beautiful. You're drawn Workshops and Seminars, and see how beautiful the card has come under the Hermit card, and it resonates. It resonates with the blue butterfly that you have chosen. Walk away. Okay, lovely. Then Prayer. Oh, awesome. Okay. Obstacles and blocks are lifted. So lovely, amazing cards. And Reconsider. So now let's see your reading. As I said in the beginning of the pile, okay, when I was picking your butterfly, that this particular group deals with 100% with communication. You guys are really very wise. Okay, wisdom is one of your greatest virtue. Okay, what I'm also seeing is that you are able to use your wisdom very wisely. You're able to use your wisdom really amazingly when somebody else comes to you with a problem, but when you yourself are in problem, you are just not able to listen to your wisdom. So that is something that you need to work on, because you need to listen to your inner voice, because that will really help you. I also see that this particular a particular group are going to have a lot of learning. Either you want to study ahead, or you want to get some degree. Okay, I've been really trying hard to get a degree. I see that happening. Okay, this particular group, I feel that you have a very strong connection with the goddess energy. You pray a lot, okay, to the goddess. Okay, you believe a lot to the goddess energy. Here I'm getting goddess Durga, Mother Mary, goddess Kuan Yin. So this three goddess I'm getting very strongly. So this particular group is really amazing in terms of their connection to the divine. What I am feeling right now is that you guys are planning to kind of give up on in terms of some sort of education. Do not do that. Reconsider. Do not give up on your dream to complete education or to get a degree, because all the obstacles and blockages that you are facing in terms of education will get lifted. Okay, I also see that this particular group with their wisdom, okay, will get a lot of name and fame across the world. Okay, I'm getting that very clearly. That I also see that in terms of this particular group have been really disappointed in love. Okay, that I'm getting very clearly. There have been a lot of obstacles in your love life, so the angels are asking you that you need to reconsider. Okay, that why is it that you tend to attract people who need a lot of work. Okay, you are not you're not somebody who should be always the one giving in the relationship. Okay, you need to walk away from that habit. Also, in general, if I talk about group 3, I feel that you guys are very giving. Okay, you need to balance your giving and receiving, because that's going to really help you. I see that this particular group of people are also teachers or trainers. So I see that this particular group of people, you guys are going to get a lot of name and fame because of your ability to communicate effectively, your knowledge. Okay, let me see what more the cards are telling me. The cards are telling me that you are tired of all of waiting. Okay, because you feel that when is it that my time is going to come, when am I going to have that time when I can shine in this world. So definitely you guys are going to shine. I also feel that most of you over here are either teachers, trainers, actors, consultants, people who are in a good position in a corporate. That's what I'm getting from this cards. Okay, what I'm also getting is that you guys love nature. So I see that you will be able to spend a lot of time in nature. One more blessing that is going to come your way is new home. Yes, it's going to come. Okay, but I see that this particular new home will be a little away from the place where you want the home, your dream home to be. Okay, so no, don't worry, this is just energy. You can change it with your prayers. Okay, you guys are really very connected to the divine. I see a lot of movement. I also see that you tend to have a lot of impulsiveness. Okay, which you need to control with your wisdom. Okay, I'm seeing all your struggles and weight going to get uplifted, because both the both the cards, both these cards are saying the same thing. Obstacles and blockages are lifted, and over here, if you can see, an old pattern is finally ending. You are to be lifted from your struggle, freed from a weight of the past. Okay, so this is something which is very clear. So a lot of obstacles that you were facing will get lifted. However, you need to walk away from all the habits that are not serving you. Okay, you need to reconsider. So overall, for this particular group, I'm clearly getting that you are going to learn a lot of things. A lot of education is going to come to you. I'm also seeing that there will be a lot of movement in your life towards the positive. I see that the goddess is going to shower on you lots and lots of blessings, be it intuition, be it be it growth, beauty. I'm seeing all of the blessings coming to you, but I see the major blessing that I'm getting for this group is learning and teaching. Okay, I'm also getting that this particular group, you guys are healers too. Okay, that's what I'm getting very strongly. So I see that you guys have been healing Mother Earth a lot, and Mother Earth will be blessing you with prosperity, with a new home. Okay, so what else am I getting? Yes, I am also getting that this particular group has kind of faced a lot of jealousy by their colleagues, by their so-called friends. So all these people who are plotting against you, they are going to be exposed. Okay, they are going to learn their lessons. All right, this is one more thing that I'm getting. I'm also seeing in your cards you have a lot of blue and purple and turquoise. You also got the card turquoise. Okay, so definitely I am seeing that you guys do have a purple crystal. Okay, which is amethyst or lapis. Okay, so you need to wear that crystal often. If you have it, do not just keep it in your cupboard, take it out. Also, I am seeing is that you guys always tend to look for support. So the angels are telling you that you are enough. Okay, stop looking out for support. You be your own support and go ahead in life. I see that you guys have helped some elderly people, and they have really blessed you. Also, yes, even in this group, I'm seeing is that you guys have been praying a lot for a child. Okay, so I see all the obstacles getting away from that, but you need to change your thought process. Okay, that's really important. I see I'm also seeing a lot of wisdom. I'm seeing a lot of knowledge. I mean, there's so much of outpour of knowledge coming your way. Also, one more gift that the angels are going to give you, that you have been in an unhealthy situation, maybe a relationship, maybe a bad work environment. This particular unhealthy situation, God is going to take away from your life and going to bless you with more better and a happy situation. I also feel that this particular group, okay, tends to work a lot with white light. Okay, you guys work a lot with white light, which is very good because the white light is the divine energy. So work a lot with the white light. If you in your house, if you have water leaking, if you have any kind of water issue, please fix it, because that's really important. Also, I see a lot of clutter in the northeast area of your home. So even if you have a temple in northeast area of your home and you have kept everything, lot of stuff over there, you need to get that area cleaned ASAP. Okay, so overall, for this particular group, I see knowledge as a gift. I see a lot of obstacles getting removed. I see a degree coming your way. I see a home coming your way. I see a good connection with the divine. I also see a lot of name, fame coming your way, and I see some sort of travel happening by the end of 2020. this is a timeless reading. So whenever you see this reading, I feel that by the end of the year, okay, if you're seeing this particular reading say in 2030 also, okay, by end of that particular year you guys are going to travel, or in the first quarter of the next year I see you guys traveling. So definitely I see that a lot of impulsiveness, the habit of impulsiveness which you guys have, is going to get out of your life. I see lot of emotional happiness for this particular batch. Lot of your prayers are going to get answered, especially the prayers that you have done for your children. They are going to get answered. So amazing, you know, it's so awesome that you're the butterfly that you chose, and the cards that you got are so resonating. So communication is one of your greatest virtues. Use it as your strength. The communication does not mean only communicating with outside people. It also means how you communicate with yourself, okay? So this particular group, you guys are rocking. Do write in the comment section what you resonated, what you liked. So this is a general reading. Whatever you resonate with, take it, and whatever you do not resonate with, maybe it's not for you. All right, thank you so much.